Hey everyone, it's great to have you here, and today we're diving into the world of bone broth. You might be thinking, bone broth? Really? But trust me, this stuff has exploded in popularity lately, and for good reason. Bone broth is more than just a tasty soup base, it's packed with nutrients and offers some incredible health benefits. We're talking about a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and compounds that can seriously upgrade your well-being. So if you're curious about how this ancient elixir can transform your health, stick around. In this video, we'll be uncovering 5 amazing health benefits of drinking bone broth regularly. Get ready to be amazed. Okay, first things first, let's talk about why bone broth is considered such a nutritional rock star. It all starts with the simmering process. See, when you simmer bones, tendons, and ligaments for hours, sometimes even days, you're essentially extracting all the goodness locked inside. We're talking about essential vitamins and minerals like calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. These minerals are crucial for maintaining strong bones, regulating muscle function, and keeping our bodies running smoothly. And that's not all. Bone broth is also a good source of electrolytes, which are essential for hydration, especially after a workout or when you're feeling under the weather. But wait, there's more. Bone broth is also rich in collagen, a protein that's vital for healthy skin, hair, nails, and joints. As we age, our natural collagen production declines, so it's important to replenish it through our diet. Think of collagen as the glue that holds everything together. It helps maintain the elasticity and strength of our tissues, keeping us looking and feeling youthful. So, by incorporating bone broth into your diet, you're not just nourishing your body with essential vitamins and minerals, but you're also boosting your collagen intake, which can do wonders for your overall health and appearance. Now let's talk about joint health, something that becomes increasingly important as we age. Our joints are the hinges of our bodies, allowing us to move freely and comfortably. If you're experiencing stiff joints, aches, or even dealing with conditions like osteoarthritis, bone broth might just be your new best friend. These issues can significantly impact your quality of life, making everyday activities a challenge. Remember the collagen we talked about earlier? Well, it plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of our cartilage, the cushioning between our joints. Collagen is a protein that provides structure and strength to our connective tissues. Cartilage acts like a shock absorber, allowing our joints to move smoothly and painlessly. Without it, our bones would rub against each other, causing pain and inflammation. But as we age, cartilage can wear down, leading to discomfort and stiffness. This wear and tear can be exacerbated by factors like repetitive movements, injuries, and even poor diet. That's where bone broth comes in. The collagen in bone broth provides the building blocks our bodies need to repair and rebuild cartilage. By consuming bone broth regularly, you can support your body's natural repair processes. This can help reduce joint pain, improve mobility, and even slow down the progression of degenerative joint diseases. Imagine being able to move with ease and without discomfort, enjoying activities you love. And it's not just the collagen. Bone broth also contains other joint-supporting compounds like glucosamine and chondroitin. These compounds are naturally found in the cartilage and synovial fluid of our joints. These compounds have anti-inflammatory properties, which can further reduce joint pain and inflammation. By reducing inflammation, you can alleviate pain and improve joint function. They also help protect cartilage from further damage, keeping your joints healthy and happy for years to come. Regular consumption of bone broth can be a proactive approach to maintaining joint health. So if you're looking for a natural way to support your joint health, reduce pain, and improve mobility, give bone broth a try. It's a simple addition to your diet that can have profound benefits. Your joints will thank you. With consistent use, you may find yourself moving more freely and enjoying a better quality of life. Chapter 3. Happy Gut, Happy Life, Bone Broth for Gut Health. In this chapter, we will explore the incredible benefits of bone broth and how it can be a game changer for your digestive system. Let's move on to another crucial aspect of our health, gut health. Our gut is often referred to as our second brain, and for good reason. It influences so many aspects of our health. You've probably heard the saying, gut health is everything, and it's true. A healthy gut can lead to a healthier, happier life. Our gut plays a vital role in our overall well-being, from digestion and nutrient absorption to immunity and even our mood. A well-functioning gut can help us feel more energetic and balanced. So, how does bone broth fit into all of this? Bone broth is a nutrient-dense liquid made by simmering bones and connective tissues of animals. It's packed with vitamins and minerals. Well, it contains a special ingredient called gelatin. Gelatin is derived from collagen, which is abundant in bones and connective tissues. Gelatin is formed when collagen breaks down during the cooking process, and it has some pretty amazing benefits for our gut. It helps to repair and maintain the gut lining. Think of gelatin as a soothing balm for your digestive system. It coats the lining of the gut, providing a protective barrier against irritants. It helps protect and heal the lining of the gut, reducing inflammation and improving digestion. This can lead to better nutrient absorption and overall gut health. This is especially beneficial for people with leaky gut syndrome, a condition that can cause a host of digestive issues and discomfort. Leaky gut syndrome occurs when the gut lining becomes permeable, allowing toxins and undigested food particles to leak into the bloodstream. This can trigger inflammation and other health issues. By strengthening the gut barrier, gelatin can help reduce inflammation, improve nutrient absorption, and alleviate digestive discomfort like bloating, gas, and diarrhea. But that's not all. Bone broth offers even more benefits. Bone broth also contains amino acids like glutamine, which are essential for gut health. Glutamine helps to repair the gut lining and supports the growth of healthy gut cells. These amino acids further support gut health by reducing inflammation, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, and even improving symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS. Incorporating bone broth into your diet can be a simple yet powerful way to enhance your gut health and overall well-being. Chapter 4. Sleep like a baby. Bone broth for better sleep. Now let's talk about something we all crave, a good night's sleep. It's something that can make or break our day, affecting our mood, energy levels, and overall well-being. If you're tossing and turning at night, struggling to fall asleep or stay asleep, bone broth might just hold the key to a more restful slumber. Many people don't realize that what we consume can have a significant impact on our sleep patterns. It all comes down to an amino acid called glycine, which is found in abundance in bone broth. This simple yet powerful component can make a world of difference. Glycine acts as a calming neurotransmitter in the brain, promoting relaxation and improving sleep quality. It's like nature's way of helping us wind down after a long day. Think of glycine as a natural chill pill. It's not just about making you feel relaxed, it actually works on a chemical level to help your brain and body prepare for sleep. It helps quiet down those racing thoughts and calm the nervous system, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. Imagine being able to drift off without the constant chatter in your mind. And it's not just about falling asleep faster, glycine also improves the quality of your sleep. Quality sleep means you wake up feeling truly rested and ready to take on the day. Studies have shown that glycine can increase REM sleep, the deepest and most restorative stage of sleep. This is the phase where your body does most of its healing and repair work. During REM sleep, our bodies and minds are busy repairing and rejuvenating themselves. This is crucial for maintaining both physical and mental health. So by increasing REM sleep, glycine can help improve cognitive function, boost mood, and even enhance athletic performance. Imagine being sharper, happier, and more physically capable just by improving your sleep. So if you're looking for a natural way to improve your sleep, ditch the sleeping pills and reach for a warm cup of bone broth before bed. It's a simple, delicious, and effective way to enhance your nightly rest. You'll be drifting off to dreamland in no time. With bone broth, better sleep is just a sip away. Chapter 5. Bone broth and weight management, a helping hand. Finally, let's talk about weight management. While bone broth isn't a magic weight loss potion, it can be a valuable tool in your weight loss journey. One of the main reasons bone broth can aid in weight management is its satiating effect. The protein and gelatin in bone broth help you feel fuller for longer, reducing cravings and preventing overeating. Think of it this way: a cup of bone broth before a meal can act as a natural appetite suppressant, helping you eat less and make healthier food choices. Moreover, bone broth is relatively low in calories, especially when compared to other beverages like sugary sodas or fruit juices. By swapping out those calorie-laden drinks for a cup of nourishing bone broth, you can significantly reduce your daily calorie intake without feeling deprived. And let's not forget about the gut health benefits we discussed earlier. A healthy gut is essential for proper digestion and nutrient absorption, which can also play a role in weight management. So, while bone broth shouldn't be seen as a quick fix, incorporating it into a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle can definitely support your weight loss goals. Chapter 6. Give bone broth a try. There you have it, folks. 5 amazing health benefits of drinking bone broth regularly. From boosting your nutrient intake and supporting joint health to improving gut health, enhancing sleep quality, and even aiding in weight management, bone broth is truly a nutritional powerhouse. So, if you're looking for a natural and delicious way to upgrade your health, I highly recommend giving bone broth a try. You can easily find it pre-made at most grocery stores, or you can even try making your own at home. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they can also experience the amazing benefits of bone broth.